Hi there, it's Arena. I hope you guys are all doing well. I am back with another video, and today's is a little bit random, but I have been playing a lot of badminton and I recently got a new baddie bag and I thought it would be fun to like pack it and decorate it with you guys. I'm super excited about it, but before we get started, I wanted to quickly shout out today's sponsors. Thank you to Tokyo Treats and Sakura Co for sponsoring today's video. I am literally so obsessed with the packaging. It is so beautiful. It is Valentine's Day themed. Oh my gosh, I love Valentine's Day. I just love the idea of love. I like normally never have a Valentine's Day, but I still love all the cute like Valentine's Day packaging and like merch that comes out around this time of year, and Tokyo Treats is no exception. Look at how beautiful this packaging is. Tokyo Treats is a monthly fun and exclusive Japanese snack box, including limited edition Kit Kats, unique flavored chips, and even sometimes like unique sodas that you can only get in Japan for a limited time. I am so excited to like rummage through this because sweet Valentine's Day. I've never experienced Japan around like Valentine's Day or been in Japan for Valentine's Day, and I've watched like so many like movies and animes, and Valentine's Day just seems so cute and romantic in Japan. Like they actually celebrate it and they have like traditions where people give each other chocolates and it's just so cute and romantic, and I love it. So I'm super excited for all the like cute heart-shaped flavored snacks that I'm going to discover in this box. I don't have a Valentine's Day this year, so Tokyo Treats can be my Valentine's Day. I cannot wait. This is like also the perfect gift to give your Valentine's Day, or even like for Galentine's Day, you guys could just like sit around and try different snacks. That would be so much fun. And even like to get yourself, because who doesn't like to treat themselves to like a box filled with the best snacks? And of course, Sakura Co is also Valentine's Day themed. Sakura Co is a monthly Japanese artisan snack box that works with and supports local snack makers. They come with 20 traditional, authentic artisan Japanese snacks, including unique flavored teas and sometimes a Japanese tableware item, which is the best thing ever. And this box is Valentine's Delight. So cute. It's all like chocolate and hojicha, and I love hojicha. I'm so excited. I cannot wait. Like, this is like, would this not be the perfect Valentine's Day gift to share with your loved ones? You guys could literally just like sit around and try snacks together, or just get it for yourself, because like honestly, that's gonna be me. Sakura Co and Tokyo Treats are gonna get me through this Valentine's Day. And of course, if you want to pick up your own box, you can get one for $5 off using my discount code ARENA at checkout, or click the link down in the bio. I'm so excited, but let's get on to the rest of the video. But I recently got a new badminton bag. I actually it was actually yellow. It was like a beige yellow, and I didn't like the color, so I dyed it. I'll include clips of me dyeing it. It was kind of a struggle. I kind of want like a pastel pink, so I'm gonna use not too much because I actually want it to be light. Hopefully it's still light enough to mask the yellow, because I don't like the yellow. The bubbles are making it really hard to see the color. Let's hope this turns out good. Ah, it's hot. Wait, let me use my tongs. Okay, so this bad boy has been sitting for like half an hour. It's already looking super pink, and I feel like it's even almost a little bit more pink than I wanted it to be. It came out so ugly. I really don't like it. I wanted a baby pink, and all the like plushies that I wanted to put on it are like a really cute baby pink, and now I feel like it just looks so weird with this color, and I'm super upset. I'm gonna see if I can try and like lighten the color a bit, because it's like more of a salmon. But I want it to be like baby pink. It's like kind of patchy. Like this pink right here, it's like slightly lighter. I would have rather the whole bag be this pink. Maybe I shouldn't have kept it in for that long. I'm gonna try and see if I can fix it, but I don't like it. I really hated the color that it came out, because it was like a salmony orangey pink and it was not the vibes. But I bleached it a few times, or not bleach. I think my dad said he used nappy sand. I didn't log that process because I didn't do anything. Luckily enough, my father knew what to do, so he helped me with it. But this was the pink that we ended up with. It is rather patchy. Like, you can kind of see like some dark spots and there's like a random pale line. You know, like I don't really like how patchy it is, but this is as good as I think it's gonna get, so we're just gonna stick with this bag. I got it off Temu as well. If you like the design, definitely pick up your own. I didn't like the yellow, the beigey yellow, because it just looked weird to me. I probably would have preferred it over this, no offense, like I probably should have not dyed it, but I had high hopes that it would turn out cute. But honestly, if you want to save yourself the travel, just buy the pink version, because they do have a pink version. I just didn't really want my next badminton bag to be pink. I wanted something more neutral because this is my current bag at the moment. I also got it from Temu. It's really cute. It has like the bows on the side. This one came undone. It's gone through it though, but it's way too small. I thought this would be bigger, but it's way too small, so it doesn't fit all my stuff. And low-key, sometimes I feel like carrying around like pink is really like in your face, and I don't really like it, which is why I wanted a more neutral bag. And I opted for the beige, but then I really didn't like the yellow, like it just looked weird to me. So we ended up with pink again. But you know what, we're gonna try and like cutify this bag because I have a vision. I also don't know why, but I feel like when I dyed it, it made the like fabric like really crinkly. I'm gonna see if I can try and steam that out. I'm not too sure, but I'm a bit too lazy at the moment to do it, and I'm just really keen to decorate. I have this cute little hand sanitizer and a little like, this was from a mystery box, but this was a cute little Sanrio mystery box, and I got my Melody and I thought it would match perfectly with this little hand sanitizer. I wanted to put her on this side, but then I feel like there's a streak of like the dark pink and the light pink here, and I just feel like this might kind of like draw the attention away from that random patchiness. So we're gonna put her over here. Super adorable. On my bag at the moment, I have Purin, like I have a cute little cherry blossom Purin, but I brought this My Melody the last time I was in Japan, in Korea I think. I bought this at like a Daiso in Korea. So cute. She has angel wings and heart cheeks, absolutely adorable. I think she's a little bit too big to have on the front. I lost a zip in the process of the dyeing and the washing, which is rather unfortunate. She does kind of look cute at the front, but I don't know if that's like too much, so I might just put her on the side for now. Just over here, she matches all the cute My Melody merch. I have a little Dimmu plushie that was from the mystery box as well, and I just thought it would look so cute like on the handle, so I'm gonna try and place him. Here's the blue one. I got two, so I got the blue one and then I think the white one, but the blue one is so much cuter because he's holding a little teddy bear. Can you see? It's so cute. And the teddy bear reminds me of Kero from Cardcaptor Sakura, so I love him a lot. Does that look cute? I feel like he's such a cutie. I also have this little guy which I got from a gacha machine in Japan. I think it's Piano, and she's like the rain. I think you're supposed to put them on the umbrella, but I'm going to attach it to this zipper since the zip broke, so I feel like it'll just make it easier to open. Okay. Since the zipper on that fell off, I'm just going to add that to make it easier to open and close. I think that looks really cute. I think it complements the like hot pink on here as well. I just tied that ribbon. The ribbon doesn't go with it. I don't know if I want to change the color, the hot pink ribbon, to a different color so it will match more, but I don't think it's that bad. I have like other plushies, but I don't know how crazy I want to go with the plushies, so I think for now that's pretty good. But let's pack her up. This is the fun part. This bag is so big and it has so many compartments, so I can finally like fit in all the things that I need for badminton. Let's go through my current bag. She a bit fat. I have my shoes, which I guess is the first thing that I need to pack. I keep them in this little like Sumiko Gurashi, the cute little like characters. I never know how to pronounce the name. I have them in this little bag, but I feel like it's kind of annoying. And I brought this off Temu as well, but it's a little shoe bag and it's My Melody. So I thought it would match all of my cute like My Melody stuff perfectly. It's cute and pink. So I'm gonna swap it and put them in here. My shoes are a little ranked because I've had them for ages. I need new shoes. I really do want to get them. These ones are the Victors. They're a bit gross because I wear them all the time, but I'm gonna put them in here. Oh my gosh, that's adorable! I love that, and that's gonna go into my bag. I feel like you guys can't see anything. Yeah, I'm wearing pajama pants, so please ignore that. I didn't think it was gonna go that low, but the shoes are in the bag. The next thing I have is my water bottle. I carry around a massive, this one is the Watermat 950ml water bottle. I love thermal bottles, like metal ones, because I can put hot and cold things in it. This one's been through the ringer. I've been looking for a new water bottle, but I haven't found any that I like, and I'm also like really picky with stuff like this. So this can fit in my bag now, no problem. I also have my shoe spray that I spray like after every single time I play baddie, because the shoes and the socks be stinky. This one's the Refresh Odor Eliminator Dior Jet Spray from Sneaker Clean. I just brought this in Taiwan recently and it's almost empty, but that can go in there. I have my glasses case and there's nothing in here, but I need a cloth sometimes because I feel like every single time I play, my glasses get really foggy, and I've tried wearing contacts, but then because my eyesight's really bad, the contacts don't correct it properly, so I just wear my glasses, and I always need a cloth with me to clean them, so I'm just gonna keep that in here. I think I might put this into a pocket though, just so it's not with everything. I'm gonna slide it in. There's like random compartments in here, and I'm just gonna slide it in this one there. That is perfect. I love that. Oh my god, so useful. I have a whole bunch of shuttlecocks in here, and I had a tube, but the tube didn't fit in my bag, so I just threw them in here. But now I can fit a tube in this bag, which is perfect. So yeah, some of them got mad destroyed being in my bag without a tube, so I kind of don't even think I can use any of these anymore, so I'm probably gonna have to throw these all out. But if I do get a new tube, at least it can fit in my bag now. So I'm just gonna throw those in there. I have a bag for pads, but I actually wanted to change it over to this one because I think this just like matches the vibes of my bag so much more. It's so cute. So I'm just gonna swap over my pad bag to this one, because you just never know when you might need one, you know? Like as a girl, you gotta always be a little bit prepared. I'm gonna switch over the pads into this one. This is from Kiki K. I used to work there and I got it as a write-off. I'm gonna put this in one of the pockets because I don't think I need it all the time. So I'm just gonna zip it up and place it in this random like little pouch thing in the bag. So that's gonna go in there. Oh my gosh, this is so much fun. I found another shuttlecock. I have a few scrunchies, but I don't think I want to use those. I have a lipstick. This bag is messy. Some more shuttlecocks. Ooh. I have these like little deodorizing balls that you put into your shoes so they don't smell. I might just keep them in here in case. I have a little lipstick. I'm not gonna put that in for now. And I have a perfume bottle. This one is the Ohana Maholo Eau de Champagne. I bought this in Japan. It smells like cherry blossoms and I really like it. Oops. I don't think I want to put that in there yet, but I also have a little pouch in here with hand cream, body butter, and Listerine and some random roll-on refresher stick. This one I use to help me with my congestion, and then of course Listerine strips. I actually bought a pouch recently that I think I'm gonna move everything over to. I got this cute little pouch from Miniso and it's My Melody. It's so adorable and it has so many little compartments in it, and I thought this would be perfect, like it would match my bag so perfectly. So I'm gonna pack this up. I also got a few other things. I got this cute little clip set, a comb and a mirror set from Miniso. I'm gonna hang this on the bag. I completely forgot, but let me see. I might put my perfume in here just so she doesn't get lost. Of course, the hand cream, the body butter, a lipstick. Oops. This one, I love this lipstick. I don't know if I want to put this one in here because I really like it. Maybe for now I'll pop her in here. She's small, so I might put her in the little zip in the middle. Just here. It's so cute because it also has like a little My Melody face. And it's mesh, so you can see what's in there. I love that. I might add a few things in here as I go, but for now I kind of can't start finding anything. So it's just going to be body lotion, perfume, and hand cream. And I'm gonna zip her up. Super cute. I'm gonna pop her in here as well. I actually might pop her in the front pouch just because I don't know if I want her to get like mixed up with everything, and I want it to be easy to find, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pop her into the front. I hope that doesn't make my bag too fat. Because she's like a little bit of a big one at the front there. Let's add this cute little comb. It comes with a little mirror, a My Melody mirror. It's a mirror at the back, and then a little comb, which is so cute. I feel like this will be perfect because sometimes when I play baddie, like we go out to eat after, and if I need a little freshening up, this is perfect. So I think I'm gonna hang her, and since it's like in a little bag, I'm gonna keep it in the bag because the keyring is attached to the bag, and then I can just take the comb and the mirror out. Like it'd be annoying to like have to unclip this every single time I wanted to use it. But I'm gonna pop this, I think, just on the other side of the bag. Does that look cute? Let's hope so. I thought I had my big spray deodorant somewhere, but I think I might have used it recently and I've misplaced it. But normally I do carry around a little spray deodorant, but I can't seem to find it. But the last item I'm gonna add is my little handheld fan. I also got this off Temu. It's so cute. It has cat ears, which is so adorable. I added some stickers to it as well. And it's like a little fan. It's like ouch. It's like a little fan. It's kind of annoying because every time you touch it, it stops, and like it's an open fan, so sometimes I'd be touching it, but it has different levels, and you can like kind of sit it down sometimes on the bench if you can't be stuff carrying it. Super cute. And I got the pink one, and then I put little stickers all over it, so it's really cute, and it comes with a little handle. But I'm gonna pop this in here too. I might put it into the little pouch sleeves as well, just so it doesn't get lost in all the mess. There's so much space in this bag. It carries so much. It's literally perfect because all of the other baddie bags that I have never fit all my stuff. I'm ready to go play. Does it look cute? I don't really like the color, but I'm just gonna have to make do with it. This is my completed baddie bag. Thank you for packing her with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It is a little bit random because I've never filmed a video like this before, but I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!